Hi everyone! In this video I will show you a quick and easy stitch that's perfect for blankets or projects similar to that. So this is waffle stitch. I personally like the waffle stitch because it's very simple and it doesn't require a lot of counting. So let's start. I will be using a 3.5mm hook. We will start with making a slip knot. Just like that. And you will want to chain a multiple of 3. So in this case I will just do 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, 14, 15. So you have a chain of 15. You will then chain 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And do a double crochet in the 4th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. So double crochet. You will keep doing double crochets in every stitch for this row. So 2, 14, 15. You will have 15 double crochets. What you want to do next is turn. I personally like to use stacked double crochets because that makes the edges of the project look a bit better. So what you want to do is make a single crochet in the very first stitch. So you will do a single crochet. And then you will grab the yarn on the left here and do another single crochet. That creates a stacked double crochet. So now we can start with the waffle stitch. In the next stitch you will do 1 double crochet and so you have 1 stacked double crochet and 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch you will want to do front post double crochet. So yarn over, choose the 2nd double crochet, put your hook through it, yarn over, pull it through the double crochet. You will have 3 loops on your needle, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on the left, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So then you will do the double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and repeat to do front post double crochet again. Yarn over, put it through the double crochet in the first row, pull through. You will have 3 loops. You yarn over, pull through 2 of them, and then yarn over and pull through the other 2 as well. For the next 2 stitches again, just a double crochet. So again, for the next one you will do front post double crochet. So you will yarn over, pull your hook through the double crochet, yarn over again, pull through 2 of the loops, yarn over and pull through the last of 2 loops again. So you will have something like this by now, and you will have 2 more. 1, 2, 2 double crochets, 1 last front double crochet, front post double crochet, and in the very last stitch you will do a double crochet. So you will turn again. Again, I'm doing a stacked double crochet, so single crochet in the first stitch, then put your hook through the loop on the left and basically do another single crochet. Here it was a front post double crochet, so in the next stitch we do just a double crochet. In the next 2 stitches we will do front post double crochets again, so yarn over, put your hook through the double crochet, yarn over, pull it through. You will have 3 hooks on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through both loops again. And you will be doing it until the end of the row. I will do again the front post double crochet in the stitch, and I will have one more stitch where I do double crochet. Again, stacked double crochet, so single crochet in the first chain stitch and then another single crochet on top of it. So again, here you can see that the first stitch was front double crochet on the previous line, so we will do a double crochet here, and now it gets easier because you see very clearly. So you see that here should be a front post double crochet, so you will do that here. You will do 1, then the next 2 stitches is 2 double crochets, 1, 2. I would suggest that once you finish every line, you just have a quick view and see whether there's no mistakes and the pattern looks like a waffle, because then it's relatively easy to change. And thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye!